In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit categories in QuickBooks Online, a straightforward task that can significantly streamline your financial management. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or an experienced user looking to refine your accounting processes, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity, all within just 5 minutes. To start, you'll first need to sign in. Open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in to various QuickBooks services. Select QuickBooks Online to proceed. This is important because it ensures you're accessing the correct version tailored for online use. Now go ahead and enter your login credentials. It's essential to input your username and password accurately, then click on Continue to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you're ready to dive into organizing your categories. Now that you're in QuickBooks, locate the Transactions tab. This tab is where you'll manage your financial transactions, an essential part of keeping your accounts up to date. Click on it, and you'll find yourself ready to proceed to the next step, which is accessing your accounts. Next, you'll need to head over to the Chart of Accounts. This feature serves as a comprehensive list of all your financial accounts in the system. Click on Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll do most of the work related to editing your account categories. With your Chart of Accounts open, look for the New button, which allows you to create a new account or category. Clicking on it will open up a form where you can fill in crucial information about the new category you wish to add. Once the form is open, the first thing you should do is add the account name or the category name. It's important to be specific here to avoid any confusion later on. Next, you'll choose the account type. Selecting the appropriate account type is crucial because it determines how transactions within that category are treated in your financial reporting. Following this, you'll choose the detail type. This acts as a subcategory within the main account type and helps narrow down the category's specific purpose. In some cases, you might want to make the new category a sub-account of a pre-existing category. If this is the case, click on Make this a sub-account. This step is particularly useful for organizing your finances more granularly. Next up, you have the option to add an opening balance. This is useful if you're setting up a new account that already has existing financial activity. Finally, make sure all your entries are correct and click on Save. This action finalizes the addition of your new category or account. Once saved, you can test to ensure the new category appears when you create an invoice. And that's it! You've successfully edited your categories in QuickBooks Online, preparing your system for more organized and effective financial management.